How'd you like deep throat action anytime you want? Do it with the Apollo Power Stroker. From California Exotic Novelties, the company known for powerful, reliable motors. This power-packed, completely self-contained wireless male masturbator has an optional swivel suction cup base. The inner sleeve is perfectly textured for amazing stimulation. Press the button to turn on and off. Press the other button to choose one of the 30 amazing pleasure patterns. So soft the sleeve surrounds you to deliver perfect pressure. Uses 4 AA batteries in an easy load battery carriage. The next best thing to the real thing, the Apollo Power Stroker.